This story comes from Reddit user Pinpinbo, who shared an honest breakdown of his investing journey on October 29, 2019, detailing how luck, timing, and imperfect decisions shaped his results. But beneath the wins is an uncomfortable question most people avoid asking. What if the biggest lesson isn't how he succeeded, but how easily it could have gone the other way? I don't think you can really learn from my experience because it was very luck-driven. Still, I'll share it as it happened. I bought my first home in 2009. It brought in about $1,300 a month, with roughly 6 to 7% going to repairs. I put down 20% and didn't even know what a cap rate was. The property was paid off in 5 years, and I recently sold it for double the purchase price. I bought a second property in 2012. It generated similar income to the first, but repair costs were closer to 2% because it was a new high-rise condo. Again, I put down 20% and paid it off in 5 years, helped a lot by the tech explosion at the time. Zillow now says this one has also doubled in value. I YOLO'd some tech stocks. I didn't know much beyond my gut feeling, mainly because I was deep in the industry. I also YOLO'd into various REIT, or real estate investment trusts, because they sounded simpler and more lucrative than owning physical real estate. The dividends were great, but I've lost quite a bit in value. On average, the total gain has only been around 5 to 6%. I bought a triplex in a low-income neighborhood, and this is probably my biggest regret. Tenant turnover was too high, even though rents were competitive. It was way too much work for what I imagined would be passive income. Never again. I'm just glad it was only a triplex. I almost bought a 24-unit apartment in the same area and definitely dodged that bullet. It's hard to replicate tech stock success consistently, but real estate and REIT together now bring in about $6,000 a month. My one piece of advice is simple. Pick a primary career that makes a lot of money and use that money to make even more money. If I could do it over, I put too many chips on one thing, real estate, early on. A lot of that came from blind herd-style pressure. I should have spread more into tech stocks instead. I would have made even more money.